As you can see, the front fog light on my Hyundai Elantra has burned out. I'll show you how to replace it yourself and save money. The replacement is very simple, requires no special skills, and doesn't need much force. You don't even need to jack up the car. All you need is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement bulb. It should take an inexperienced person about an hour. To replace the bulb, you'll need to detach the front bumper from the car. After opening the hood, release 5 fasteners at the top of the bumper and about 8 fasteners at the bottom. As you can see, it's really simple and requires no force at all. Now we'll move on to releasing the fasteners at the bottom of the bumper. Then pull the sides of the bumper. This requires a bit of force, but don't worry about it. Oops, be careful not to let the bumper fall. Note that it's still connected by the fog light wiring. Remove the bulb housing by turning it quarter-turn counterclockwise, then remove the bulb itself. Oops. Install the new bulb. Before reattaching the bumper, verify that the new bulb works properly. Return the bulb housing the same way, quarter-turn clockwise this time, and reattach the bumper in the same way we removed it. That means first physically return it to the same position, then press in the plastic fasteners. It's really easy and requires almost no force. First attach the top part. Then press the sides of the bumper to connect to the car body, and then continue with the bottom part. Start the engine, check that everything works, and we're done. I just recommend using gloves to keep your hands clean.